Over 20 years ago, MSAB pioneered the use of mobile forensic technology to enable others to make our societies and communities safer. Today, in cities all over the world, we still come to work every day, proud that our technology is making a meaningful difference. As a trusted partner to law enforcement, forensic analysts, custom agents, military service members, and many other government agency operatives, we will continue to supply cutting-edge technology to assist you in your missions. We are constantly adapting to the evolution of new devices, apps, and encryption. In the critical first hours of criminal investigations, MSAB can enable first responders to acquire mobile device data fast, perform initial analysis, then pass the key findings to investigators to present in court. Even in the most challenging cases, you can count on MSAB. To quote a customer, "With the help of XRY, we were able to extract relevant evidence, even the deleted items, and that helped us to solve the crime we were investigating." Feedback like "world's best software," "excellent support," "great service and help provided" makes us proud. We are delighted to hear that we hit the mark for our customers. We are MSAB, your trusted partner in mobile forensics.